guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a super fun DIY collab with my friend Kate. She has a super cute shop called I Love You Very Much where she hand makes these cute little felt strawberries, and she recently launched her website, so I will leave all her information down below. But she sent me some of her strawberries to do some DIY projects with because I think a lot of people like things like this. They think they're really cute, but once they get them, they don't really know like what to do with them. And felt decorations like this are pretty popular right now. Like you see a lot of the felt balls like on garland, especially around the holidays. So I was so excited to work with her on this fun little project. So she sent me 2 packages of her strawberries. First of all, the packaging is just so cute. Comes like with a little business card and some little confetti, and then her handmade strawberries, and they're so cute. So yeah, for this video I'm just going to be making a few different DIYs using these cute little strawberries. And like I said, I'll leave all her information down below if you want to pick yourself up some cute little strawberries. They're seriously so darling. So yeah, I'm super excited for this video, and let's just see what we can make with them. Hallie girl just woke up from her nap, so she's going to join me for the video. Yeah? Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out Kate's shop and her Instagram for more inspiration for what you can do with the berries. I'm sure there's so many different good ideas out there. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and click that subscribe button for more DIY and lifestyle type videos, and we will see you guys next time. Thanks, bye! You say bye? Say it loud. Say bye. Bye. Good job. Bye. Can you blow kisses? Mwah.